Hey, good evening, traders. This is Trader Tim from E-mini Mind bringing you a Monday market analysis video. Today is July 25th, 2016. We are ever so close to that 2175 target that we were talking about coming off the 2003 level. Moving sideways is a good sign because that helps us build a base, build some support. And so in the meantime, on an intraday time frame, what we'll be looking for tomorrow during trading is a breakout above 2169.75s or below 2149s. And the reason for that is, we're kind of just having very tight ranges, not a ton of volatility during the day. There's been a few opportunities, but for the most part, it's been pretty tight with the inside bars and most of the day staying, even though we've come above this larger body candle, and then followed by the two inside days, even though we've come above that high, we are, for the most part, trading within that range on trading hours only. So I can go ahead and throw up price level for us here and here. So tomorrow we will look to see if we can trade outside of that range. A couple other things going into the week that I want to talk about on the 5-minute chart. If we look at today's price action to kind of give us a gauge of what we can expect for the week, you'll notice that we broke down and we're trending nicely, and there have been some nice trends even throughout the afternoon, but you'll notice that things have been a little bit shaky and choppy, meaning that we didn't just go straight down one after another. We kind of had a little bit of pullbacks, breaking candles highs, a little bit of fake out action. So be a little bit more conservative with my stop placements as we start the trading day on Tuesday, and see if we continue with some nice trends, maybe breaking out to the upside to 2175s, in which case a break above the current high from trading hours only at 69.75s would be that nice catalyst. Maybe get a morning break, a nice little pullback, and then an entry that takes us up to new highs. For economic news, we've got a pretty good week, so I would expect some movement out of this range, kind of a no trade range for now, I'm calling it. Tomorrow we've got new home sales, 30 minutes after the bell. Wednesday, FOMC meeting announcement, so another big one. Usually Wednesday morning, a good day not to trade when we have a meeting announcement coming out. Thursday, jobless claims, and Friday, GDP, both of those before the bell, but those could act as a good catalyst for some nice added volatility, perhaps a little bit move higher above this, and then depending on what the FOMC meeting looks like, maybe some selling that could lead us into the next retracement, maybe around the 2100 level, something in that area back down here. That's kind of the prior resistance level that now would act as new support. A couple other things to talk about. S&P and Dow both looking almost identical. NASDAQ, same thing, a little bit drifting a little bit higher. And then the Russell, also identical, just moving very, very sideways and quiet. August is typically the worst month of the year for trading in terms of choppy, wild things that happen, that just things are a little bit off in August. So don't feel bad if you tread lightly, or if you're going on holiday. That's a great time to take a break. Let's take a look at the volatility index, and again, still down in the low teens. So if we were to get some sort of a sell-off in the market, I'd want to see a spike in the VIX. But even a spike all the way to 20, even back up to 25, is still very low, and good trading opportunities abound in that region of volatility. So going into tomorrow, we'll look for a breakout or a breakdown of that 6975s or the 49s. So we'll talk to you in the morning. If you have questions, shoot me an email, tim@eminimind.com. Thanks. We'll talk to you soon.